Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to copy a color grading from any video in DaVinci Resolve. Let's dive in. First, make sure you've added both of your clips to the timeline. One with the color grade you want and one that will receive the color grade. Next, go down to Color tab in your toolbar. Then click on the clips and display the both video sample. Click and highlight the clip that will be receiving the color grade. Then hold Ctrl and select the clip that has the color grade you want to copy. Now right-click the second clip, the one with the desired color grade, and select the shot match to this clip, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically apply the color grade to your selected video. And that's it. You've successfully copied a color grade with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. Thanks for watching.